In this video, we will be talking about how to create and implement user fields. So user fields are just a collection of fields that you might want that contain data that we wouldn't otherwise know about. So for example, you may want to know about a PO number, a job number, a customer name, unique identifier that we don't have access to, anything like that. And so in LCServer, to create a user field, you simply click on, in the Pixie configuration tab, you click on the user with the edit field, and that will pop open a window that contains user fields. Now, if there are no user fields, obviously you won't have anything. You'll have to create a new one. So to create a new one, you would just simply hit Save As, and it would pop open the save dialog, in which case you put in your file name, hit save. Now you're editing a user field. To create a user field, there are two types. There's either a device user field or a system user field. In XErase, you would really only ever use a device, but in LCServer, if you're booting up a laptop, a desktop, you might have a system user field that's attributed to the system but not to the drives inside. The different types are normal, which would just be a user field that you have to manually enter, or prompted user fields that allow you to pop open a dialog and enter that information. Then there's things you can load from files, and there's different identifiers and defines. But let's say we were going to do a prompt, like right here. You can see that this is currently has an R and a dev. So this is dev means device, and R means required. And it's called asset ID, and it will be a prompt. And the same here, employee ID. So these are two user fields that are being created here. Now to access user fields in XErase, you would click on this cog button, and it's the same idea. So again, device versus system, normal, prompts, and so on. Now once you want to use user fields, you go into program settings, and in XErase it's customize interface and program settings, and you go to user defined fields, turn them on, and select whatever user field template you've created. So here, same idea. This is the one that we were just editing, and you hit update. Now in this profile, you will be prompted for those two fields. In XErase, whatever template you've created, you will be prompted for those fields. Hopefully this helped explain user fields. Keep an eye out for our next videos. Thanks.